A question we get asked a lot in wrongful death claims, which we do a significant number of wrongful death claims as part of our practice, is the question of how do you place a value, or how do you value wrongful death claims here in Mississippi? And the answer to that question really goes back to our wrongful death statute. The laws, I must say, on the front end, vary from state to state when it comes to how wrongful death actions are pursued. Not every state even calls them wrongful death. They'll have different names, different types of actions. But in Mississippi, we are one of the states who has a wrongful death statute. And so within our statute, the legislature has defined not only who the beneficiaries are who can bring a wrongful death claim and recover damages when a loved one has died as the result of someone else's negligent conduct, but also the statute has spelled out the types of damages that can be paid. And so in Mississippi, those damages range from, for instance, funeral expenses of that loved one who was killed by another person's conduct, to lost economic earnings, any medical bills that the deceased incurred, but then also allowances for what we call non-economic damages, which would be any pain and suffering of the deceased, but also that loss of companionship, loss of relationship for the beneficiaries who now do not have that relationship with the loved one that they lost. But those damages are spelled out by statute. It is extremely important, though, and this is a very important point, that when you have a wrongful death claim, you really need an attorney who has experience and a proven record of success on those claims here in Mississippi, because the law is nuanced. Wrongful death claims are different from typical personal injury claims. There's different aspects of the law that come into it. The way you pursue them are differently. In wrongful death claims, we have to go through not only the circuit court where you're bringing the claim itself, but also the chancery court to get approval and sign off on those claims for the wrongful death beneficiaries and the wrongful death estate. So it's very important that you have somebody who has experience dealing with those type claims, and not only for the procedural aspects of it, but for the experience and knowledge of how to value those claims within the context of the different categories of damages that you can recover. And that only comes with experience and training. We're here to answer any questions you have about wrongful death claims or other personal injury claims at the Brad Morris Law Firm. And here at the Brad Morris Law Firm, we always offer free consultations on any type of personal injury claim, including wrongful death claims. So I hope you find this information helpful.